Java conditions and if statements, or if else also we can say. Java supports the usual logical conditions from mathematics. Int a is equal to 20 and int b is equal to 5, and we can compare them, right? A is greater than b, or a is greater than or equal to less than b, less or equal to b, or equal to b, or not equal to b. So these conditions can be used for making decisions. For example, if we compare a and b, a is greater than b. In this situation, let's write system out println a is greater than b. So let's see this. So 20 is greater than 5. If not, we can use else block. If the condition is not correct, we'll run else block. We can write b is greater than a. So let's change, for example, this will be 25. 25 is greater than 20. So if you have many conditions, you can continue. For example, if we say that this will be not the time, and the time is 22 now. If time is less than 10, let's say good morning. And second condition to write, we can use else if. One more condition we can write here, if time is less than 18, let's write good day. Otherwise, if it is not morning and if it is not day, it is evening. Else part is going to work if first condition and second condition are not correct. Good evening. Now the time is 22. It's going to write good evening. If we want to read the time from the keyboard, we can use scanner library. I'm going to import that one, java.util.scanner, and I'm going to start the scanner here. Scanner, let's call it input, new scanner, and we are going to read from the keyboard. That's right, system in. And time, we are going to read it from input from the keyboard, and it's going to be next int. So it's going to be an integer number. So if I write less than 10, let's write 8, it writes good morning. If I write less than 18, for example, if the time is 15, it writes good day. If it's greater than 18, even if it is 18, it's going to write good evening. Let's write, for example, 20, it writes good evening. It's possible to use if else in the shorthand. So you can write in a single line. For example, here, let's write one condition here. So assume that we have this one. If time is less than 18, good day, otherwise good evening. So how can we write this in a shorthand? Let's assign the results to a string result. So string result is equal to, we write the condition here now. If the time is less than 18, question mark, and what's going to happen? It's going to write good day. So this text will be assigned to the result, in fact, yes. And otherwise colon, it's going to write good evening. Now we can print out the result. So I'm going to close this part, comment, and I'm going to run if else command. So if we enter less than 18, it's going to write good day. Let's write 12, good day. If we write greater than or equal to 18, it's going to write good evening. For example, 22, good evening.